Welcome back to our journey into the enigmatic world of Leonardo da Vinci. Today, we unveil the secrets that his mysterious apprentice discovered about the great master. Stay with us till the end to uncover a hidden project by Leonardo da Vinci that has never been revealed before. Leonardo da Vinci, a name synonymous with genius, creativity, and innovation. But behind every great master lies a story untold. Today, we delve into the life of Leonardo's apprentice, a young artist who had the privilege of witnessing the maestro's genius up close. Leonardo's apprentice, often working in the shadows, learned more than just the art of painting. He uncovered da Vinci's groundbreaking techniques in anatomy, engineering, and science. Imagine being a young artist, standing beside Leonardo as he dissects a cadaver or sketches designs for flying machines. One of the most intriguing aspects of Leonardo's work was his obsession with anatomy. His apprentice had access to his detailed anatomical drawings, which revealed the intricate workings of the human body. These studies were not just for art. They were scientific explorations that laid the groundwork for modern anatomy. Leonardo's notebooks, filled with sketches of muscles, bones, and organs, were a treasure trove of knowledge. The apprentice saw firsthand how Leonardo's understanding of anatomy enhanced his art, making his figures more lifelike and dynamic. But it wasn't just anatomy that fascinated Leonardo. His inventive mind constantly sought new challenges. The apprentice observed Leonardo's experiments with mechanical devices, from early concepts of flying machines to intricate hydraulic systems. As the apprentice worked alongside Leonardo, the sounds of thunder and rain often provided a dramatic backdrop to their discoveries. These moments of intense creativity were charged with the energy of the storm. Beyond the techniques and inventions, the apprentice also witnessed the human side of Leonardo. Known for his insatiable curiosity, Leonardo often shared personal anecdotes that revealed his thought processes and inspirations. One such story involves a night when Leonardo stayed up sketching a storm, fascinated by the power and beauty of nature. These moments of insight not only shaped the apprentice's understanding of art, but also deepened his admiration for his master. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the most shocking discovery made by Leonardo's apprentice. While studying Leonardo's personal journals, the apprentice found a secret notebook containing sketches for a teleportation device, a design far ahead of its time. This revolutionary design featured detailed mechanisms and theoretical explanations for instantaneous transport of materials or people from one place to another. The apprentice's discovery brings to light a side of Leonardo's genius that has remained hidden for centuries. Remarkably, this secret notebook is said to be held in the Vatican Museum. In a section that is not open to the public, it lies hidden and locked away, awaiting the day it will be unveiled to the world. What do you think about this incredible discovery? Could it change our understanding of Leonardo's genius? Stay tuned for more revelations in our upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Leonardo da Vinci's secrets, please like and comment below on what you think about this hidden project. And most important, please subscribe to our channel, be notified about more never-before-told stories of historical figures and events.